Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can fix error HTTP error 502.5 ANCM out of process startup failure. So this error you can get when you are working with .NET Core projects and you are trying to publish those on IIS. So I have this project, and when I'm trying to browse this, then I'm getting the error which I just showed you. So for fixing the error, what you have to do is you have to go to your project and right click on the project, and here you will see the target framework here, and you will see .NET Core 3.1. So here if you run the project, and you can try to run the project. So if you try to run the project and it runs normally, okay, so like I am trying to run this here. So you can see there is no error here, but when I try on the IIS, then it is giving the error. So you can try the solution. You can go to um, Google, and like we saw the version was 3.1, so you can type download uh, ASP.NET Core 3.1. So here you will see the link here, and in this, like you can see the version here, you have to match the version here, like 3.1 should be matching. The other version you can pick the highest one or whatever, that will work fine. Okay, so in this what you have to do is you have to go and install the hosting bundle. Okay, because it is running normally when we are running this on the Visual Studio, but it is not working after the hosting, so we have to install the hosting bundle. Okay, so after installing you have to double click, and you have to click on agree and install. So it can take some time for installing this, and you have to wait until it installs. So in the meantime, one more thing that I will like to tell you is whenever you have any runtime error, then what you have to do is we need few packages for running any version on Visual Studio. Okay, so there are few things that you can try downloading, and one of them is this hosting bundle. Basically this includes everything that you need. or you can even try to install one of these 64 or 86 as per your Windows bit version. So now we have got that installed, and we will go there and restart it again, and we will click on browse. So this error is still here. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the files, okay, and you have to right click on the web config, or you can copy your web config to some other location, and then right click and edit those. And here you can see that you are seeing the .exe here. You can try .dll, and now we will replace this. Okay, so that was not replaced. We will replace again and open again. So again we will add dll here, and now we will copy this and paste this in the location where we have published the project files. And now we will again try to restart this and browse again. So you can see this time the API is working fine. Okay, so earlier we were getting this error here, and now we are not getting the error. So and the issue is resolved. So these two ways you can try. One is installing the hosting bundle, and if that doesn't work, then you can try to uh, remove the exe from here and put the dll here, then it will also work fine. Okay, so that's it guys. Let us know if you still face the issue. Thank you.